Mandy. Happy graduation. You happy? Oh, you seem so happy.
You thought it's already begun.
I'm just practicing. Congratulations, Mandy. You are so amazing. What do you want later?
6 rides.
6 rides? And what would you want to eat?
Maybe chicken.
Chicken, maybe. How about pizza? So next video will be you're gonna be grade 1? Oh, that's so quick. Time flies so fast, right, Mandy?
No.
It's like yesterday you were just a baby and now you're about to graduate?
What?
Yes, sir. Boss. Bossing. Your turn. Boss. Bossing. Take me to wherever I want. Hey,
See, it's so slow, that's
hey, only a little. Come on, Mama. Hey, move.
I don't want anymore. I want another
Go to Mama.
ride.
Di ko siya bibigilan, di ko
Mama, I
siya.
wanna open it right now.
Come on, here's the party. Di ko siya bibigilan, di ko siya. And what is the best part of your school? Before you go to grade 1, what can you remember the most?
Maybe Santa?
No, your memory inside your classroom.
The best school?
Yeah, nothing? How about Mama? Mama is gonna cry, oh. Because before you were just a baby and now you're going to grade 1. We just can't believe it yet. Look! This, I will show you. Mandy, give me one. Give me one. Give me one. Papa. Yay! Who's better teacher? Mama or Papa?
Papa and Tita.
Who's always mad?
Mama and Papa.
Who's always fighting?
Who's the best driver?
It's me!
Yeah!
Who's the best cook?
Cook. But ano ka pa naman, Mandy, you were so young and
Yeah,
first,
you're so little.
yeah, you didn't want to go to school, you were crying.
Yes. Way back.
Yeah, way back. Now
You're crying because your favorite classmate is not there.
yeah. And but before you were crying because just mama was not there, but right now you have so many reasons to cry.
And also, I was crying because I wanted to fetch first.
Yes.
Oh yeah, I remember that was when I was late.
She wanted to be the first.
And also when your food was, I didn't put any food. I only put Skyflakes.
Also the water.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we forgot to bring your water. So many
Yeah.
memories.
Yeah, also, one Bon give me some food.
Wow. Si Bon?
Yes. No, Bon at Bon's cat.
Mandy, it was like yesterday you were a baby, and then tomorrow you've already grown up.
Huh?
Yeah, just right.
Not all.
Yeah, just right now you didn't want to. Didn't want any toy. Just squishy. Show your squishy mouth.
Hindi ka pa
Guys.
pinilit?
Guys, look. This name is
Sanju.
no. The name is
Happy.
What's the
Happy.
name?
Happy.
Happy.
How about Happy Grady?
We don't want that. I'm gonna name this Manolos.
Malolos. Hey Malolos, how are you?
No, I'm just kidding. This name is gonna be Heartspring
Springs.
I mean Heartspring English.
Oh, paano?
Okay.
Mandy,
okay,
did you-
Heartspring.
Did we
This
keep
name
our
is-
promise to you, Mandy, on your graduation day, Mama and Papa? Did we keep it? Yay, plus points, fist bump. Okay, nakakangawit na guys.
Congrats, Mandy.
Congrats!
I also have a medal.
Oh yeah.
Wait.
Okay.
Hey, that's a secret.
This is some golds. Then show it. Then
You were so excited because last year you don't have a medal, right?
Yeah. Look, this is my mama's boss. Sandri Golaza.
Huh?
where's your certificates? Let's get. Okay, later.
Wait, guys, wait.
It's there, it's there.
Is there still more? Holy moly!
Oh, shoot.
Wait, guys.
This is your certificate. Oh.
Wow, so many.
Look, wait.
There, oh, pretty graduation. There. Oh, Mama,
But
she's
don't
growing.
But everyone don't be jealous about me because you're gonna graduate soon.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Don't be
We all have our turn, right?
Yes. Also this one, Mandy is really attentive, I guess.
Oh, yes.
Because whenever you say something, even if it's not about her, she always say, what's that? And she's an awesome artist. Yeah.
Yeah, Mandy is an artist.
She
Yeah.
really loves to draw.
Hey, Mandy, sample that you're dancing. Di ko siya mabibigil.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Okay. Wait. 2,
No, in
3, 2, 1, go! Di ko siya mabibigilan, di ko siya bibigilan, di ko siya. Another one, alam mo ba? Mahal mo na. Alam, magagawa, mahal mo na. Ba't adan? Ba't adan? Ba't adan? Ba't adan? Alam mo na, sumama naman. Mahal mo na. Wala ka lang, magagawa, mahal mo na. Ba't adan? Ba't adan? Sabay-sabay tayo, Mandy. 1, di ko siya mabibigilan. Di ko siya mabibigilan. Di ko siya. Ay, ang bilis ng buhay. Nakagraduate na rin si Mandy. Ang bilis makatulog. Akalain mo yun, parang kailan lang. Si Mandy, bata pa. Tapos takot pang pumasok ngayon. Ngayon na nakagraduate na siya. Dami na niya friends. Ang bilis talaga ng buhay. Kaya dapat chine-cherish yung kada moment ng mga bata, guys. Kaya si Mandy, ang bilis din makatulog. Tulog yan, oh. Sleeping Beauty, oh. Ay, nako. Sa susunod, hindi na ito magpapakis.
Guys, I'm so sleepy. Why did you wake me up?
No! You're awake. I'm just pretending.
No!
Hindi naman yan hindi naiintindihan. Baka kasi Tagalog yung sinabi ko. Ayun na, nakatulog siya ulit. Nako, ang bilis naman makatulog. Hindi, pag lumaki ito lang lumaki, madami ng friends. Hindi na kami papansin ni mama niya.
Guys, it's so cold.
Nung una, umiiyak pa si Mandy pag wala yung mama niya. Tapos, susunod, tuwan-tuwa naman na siya pag lumaki siya, pag wala na mama niya. Ay, ang bilis makatulog. Ang bilis naman makatulog. Hindi eh, may pinunasan pa, oh.
Hey, what are you saying? It's so stupid.
What?
It's supposed to be angry.
English?
Yes.
Nako, hindi naiintindihan ni Mandy yung sinabi ng papa niya. Nag-aaral. Wala na si Mandy. Congratulations, Mandy. Dahil nakagraduate ka na. Naiintindihan mo yung sinabi ko?
Hindi.
Ay, proud na proud kami sa'yo, Mandy. Kasi ikaw ay nakagraduate na.
Look, feet.
Mahal na mahal ka namin ni mama
Look,
mo.
feet.
Hindi ka understand.